Hi, this is Annelie. Today I just want to show you a few techniques with acrylic and acrylic inks. You can use your normal inks. I just want to try and show you. You can use normal inks and you can use your acrylics. I'm just going to make a thin layer, and you can put any color. You can mix colors. You can put anything on top of this. I just want to show you the technique so you can experiment with your colors, and you can use it as a background for something to paint, and then you can use it in a painting to do it on a piece that you maybe want to stand out a little bit more or something like that. This just needs to dry a little bit to get a little bit tacky, and then we're going to do reverse stenciling on this one. If you like my content, please like and subscribe and hit that bell that you can see future uploads of my videos. I would really appreciate it, and you can ask me anything in the comments. I will maybe take a few days, but I will always come and answer you at the end. So I'm just going to quickly let this dry off a little bit. Okay, you can see it's dry enough for me. Maybe I did leave it a little bit too much, but we'll see now. I've got a wet wipe. You can use a rag or a piece of toilet paper or anything that's a little bit wet, and then you're going to rub back onto this. I'm just going to put a little bit of water first. I think I let it dry too quickly. And then you're going to start rubbing through your stencil. And you can take away as many as you want, or as much as you want. And just don't move your stencil at this. Say I did put a blue layer at the back, and I let it dry, totally dry, and I put a white layer maybe on, and then I go and I rub away on this almost dry paint, the white paint. Then the back will show through as the blue, and you will take away from the white. So it actually looks very nice if you make it another color on here as well, you know, and then you put two colors. I did leave it a little bit too long, so I'm just going to take a little bit of alcohol. It's just 92% rubbing alcohol. My rag is wet with water, so I just want to put on a little bit more. So just check your paint. I did wait a little bit too long, and if it's a very hot day, it will be quicker. So it must just be that consistency that it doesn't wipe off on your stencil too much. If this one doesn't work nice, I will do another one and just show you, because it's actually a very nice technique to do. And there you can see you've got these pockets of light that can maybe come through a glass window, you know, one of those old church windows with a stained glass and stuff. So I hope you liked this one, and if you did, I will definitely see you next time. Take care and have a lovely day, and remember, please like and subscribe if you like my content, and I will just keep on showing you stuff. Have a lovely day.